Hello everybody, welcome again with another live forex analysis. Today in this video we are going to do some fresh live analysis for gold. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live forex analysis. In this channel we upload daily live forex analysis and we also share our trading ideas with all of you guys. So this is the gold chart. First of all, we will discuss about our yesterday's plan, which we given in yesterday's video. If you did not watch that video, please go to our YouTube channel and watch that video. Okay, so in previous video we told that if market break this support level, then there's a high probability chance to go market down to fill this wick, and this happened. If you can look, this candle break this support level and the next candles make a range, and there was a high probability chances if this range break downside, then there's a high probability chance to go market fill this wick, and that happened. If you can look, if we can come on at M30 time frame. Okay, so this was the range. Yeah, this was a little bit range. So this candle break this range and close below this support level. The next candle goes up, make a top wick, and then comes down. When this candle was coming down then there was a good opportunity of sell when market break this previous low, and your SL would be above this candle, and I told that this will fill this wick, and mostly I'm using 1-2 risk rewards, so that was a good trade. But gold fall badly and then almost 113. Oh man, that was a good trade. Okay, so that was the previous trade. Right now we are going to do some fresh live analysis and we will give our trading plans to all of you guys. So first of all, we will look on H4 time frame. Remove this area. Okay, so this is the H4 time frame. Okay, so now we look on H1 time frame. Okay, so this is the minor resistance level here. If market break this resistance level, then there's a high probability chance to go up to retest this support level, and let's see will it be a resistance or not. On the other side, if we look on M30 time frame, let's modify this area, and now if market break this minor support level, then there's a high probability chance to go market fill this wick. If we look on H4 time frame, yeah, so if market break this support level, then there's a high probability chance to fill this wick. This is almost 120 pips range. There's a good range for sell trade, so let's wait. If market break this support level, then there's a high probability chance to go market fill this wick. On the other hand, if market break this resistance level, then there's a chance to go market almost here, and this range is almost 85 pips. So these are the trading plans of gold for today. Please like this video, share this video with your friends and in forex groups. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel, and if you are looking for a best forex broker, then you can open your trading accounts on our recommended broker. The link of our recommended broker is given in the description box. See you next video with live analysis. Take care. Bye bye.